Hey, thrill seekers, whether you're skating the city streets or tearing up off-road trails, 2025 will be a serious year for electric skateboard lovers. These aren't your average skateboards. They will have you flying past the competition with speed, power, and range. We dive into the best electric skateboards of 2025 and find out which board is your ultimate ride, with maxed out top speeds and the longest range. MEEPO V5 Electric Skateboard. With a combination of power, portability, and affordability, the MEEPO V5 is an exhilarating ride. Its dual 500-watt hub motors deliver strong acceleration, reaching up to 28 miles per hour, making it an exceptional value skateboard for under $400. The 8-ply, 38-inch Canadian maple deck provides flexibility, absorbing road vibrations for a smoother ride, while its impressive hill-climbing ability tackles inclines up to 18% easily. At just 17 pounds, the V5 is highly portable and perfect for city dwellers or students needing easy transport. It features a 144 watt-hour battery, providing an extended range of up to 11 miles. Riders consistently get between 9 and 11 miles per charge, which is impressive given that the range varies with terrain and riding mode. The trucks are easily adjustable, allowing for a more stable and comfortable ride, particularly during sharp turns or high-speed runs. IPX5 water resistance offers durability, letting you ride through light rain or small puddles without worry. Even when the battery runs out, it handles like a regular longboard, maintaining a natural ride feel. The 90mm polyurethane wheels offer decent comfort on rough surfaces, though slightly softer wheels could enhance the experience. EXWAY Flex Pro Electric Skateboard. It provides a robust output that enables the board to reach up to 31 miles per hour effortlessly. The ride is responsive, featuring ample torque for tackling any challenge, whether you're cruising through urban streets or navigating open roads. It is crafted for those who seek an enhanced electric riding experience, encompassing both speed and performance. One standout feature of the Flex Pro is its advanced battery system, which considerably increases range on a single charge. With a maximum travel distance of up to 25 miles, it allows extended rides without frequent charging. For commuters or weekend explorers, the fast charging capability is a significant advantage, as the battery can fully recharge in just 1 hour, making it highly convenient for busy lifestyles. The design also allows for easy battery replacement, enhancing its durability and adaptability over time. The Flex Pro also excels in durability, boasting impressive waterproof ratings, so you won't need to stress about riding in the rain or splashing through puddles. Additionally, the board incorporates regenerative braking, which recovers energy back into the battery during use. The remote control has been improved with upgraded hardware, enabling enhanced functionality and seamless connectivity. Features such as route tracking and firmware updates are now more user-friendly thanks to Bluetooth 5.0. Furthermore, you can customize settings via the companion app, offering a modern and intuitive level of personalization. CAROMA Electric Skateboard, powered by a dual 350-watt motor. This electric skateboard gives you a smooth, quiet ride, reaching speeds of 19 miles per hour and without fear of 15-degree slopes. You can switch between 3 speed modes, so whether you're a newbie or an experienced rider, you can find the pace that's right for you. Battery life is another big win. With its next-gen 29.4-volt, 4,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, you get up to 12 miles on a single charge, which is perfect for short commutes or quick runs around town. And with the fast charging feature, you can juice it up fully in 3 hours. The skateboard has a wireless remote control range of up to 14 meters, which is one of its coolest features. It's super easy to use and gives you precise control over your speed and brakes. It lets you accelerate, brake, or even drive in reverse, all with a click. It even has LED indicators to keep you updated on the battery level, so you'll never guess when it's time for a charge. In terms of build, CAROMA Electric Skateboard is made from 8-layer maple, so it's got that perfect balance of flexibility and durability. It's sturdy enough to hold up to 300 pounds, but still light enough at about 12.5 pounds to carry around when you need to. With a length of 36 inches and a width of 9 inches, it feels stable and smooth even when you hit bumps on the road. WOWGO 3E Electric Skateboard. You can easily tackle steep, 30-degree hills at full speed, making it the perfect companion for your daily commute on campus or sidewalks. It meets the Underwriters Laboratory's 2272 safety certification, so you know it is built with quality and safety in mind. Crafted with high-end materials, it features dual 650-watt motors that provide smooth, powerful acceleration. You will reach 28 to 30 miles per hour in seconds. And with the 8-ply Canadian maple wood, it is durable enough to handle riders up to 330 pounds. The board is built to last, combining performance with durability for heavier riders. With a digital remote and the Tuya Bluetooth application, you can choose from 4 different riding modes, gradually working your way up to the top speed of 29 miles per hour. The application also lets you customize settings like speed, torque, and braking, all from your smartphone. Weighing just 16 pounds, it is a breeze to pick up and carry when navigating stairs or crossing busy streets. The ergonomic curved handle makes it highly portable, so you are always ready for the next ride. With 7 years of experience in the electric skateboarding industry, this board comes highly recommended by top YouTubers. EXWAY X1 Max. The EXWAY X1 Max electric skateboard represents the future of electric skateboards. It can reach a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour and climb steep hills with a gradient of up to 30%, and the maximum range, it is around 18 miles. Despite the limited stealth deck space, the battery capacity has increased by 20%. It is equipped with a 230-watt battery, letting you focus on enjoying the ride without worrying about charging frequently. Its integrated deck design, where the components are embedded within the deck itself, along with shock-absorbing grip tape, ensures a comfortable experience, even on rough terrain or uneven road surfaces. When you apply the brake while riding, the system automatically activates, converting kinetic energy into electrical energy that can be stored and reused. This regenerative braking feature not only enhances skateboard efficiency, but also adds an extra layer of safety when braking suddenly. Durability-wise, its surface is coated with anti-scratch material, providing excellent protection from wear and tear, and keeping the board looking new for longer. Additionally, the skateboard is easy to clean, thanks to its protective coating. With an IP55 water resistance rating, the board can handle splashes and dust under typical riding conditions. You can also customize your riding experience with the advanced mobile application that supports the EXWAY X1 Max. The skateboard's electronic speed controller allows you to fine-tune various settings, such as acceleration curves and different ride modes like cruise control, all through the app. For peace of mind, EXWAY offers a warranty that begins the day you receive your skateboard and lasts for 6 months.